Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete sheets in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Excel? You can find Excel in Microsoft Store because Excel is a product of Microsoft. Launch your Microsoft Store and search for Excel. Follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. And after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to delete a sheet on Excel. So now that we're here, we have sheet 1 and we have sheet 2. So let's say I want to get rid of sheet 2 because sheet 1 already has everything that I need and I want to get rid of sheet 2. So just go ahead and select the sheet that you want, and after selecting the sheet, right click on your mouse, and once you right click on the mouse, you're going to see this delete option. You have insert, you have delete, you have rename, you have move or copy. You code protect sheet, tap color hide, and of course select all sheets. Go ahead and click on delete, and once you click on delete, you have this warning that says Microsoft Excel will permanently delete the sheet. Do you want to continue? If you make up your mind to do that, go ahead and click on the delete option, and as you can see, the sheet ceases to exist. So I just have sheet 1. If I want to add another sheet, just click on this plus icon and it takes you to the next sheet. Just go ahead and add whatever sheet you want to add, and you see sheet 2 is off, so it has even moved to sheet 3. So that's pretty much how you can delete a sheet on Excel. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.